Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to like burn down to the ground. See that room, yeah? I'm gonna do that design here for my mother. You know, mother, dig up yourself and the mother there, yeah. The presenter come. Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to like. Big up every mother out in the world. Sorry for the late post. But here we go. Watch a movie.
Welcome back to Jammiwood. One more time again, guys. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribe. Thank you for leaving your comments, and feel free to leave comments, whatever. You understand? Sorry, guys. Please remember to tell a friend, to tell another friend, and another family, to tell another family. I am welcoming you all to this channel. Those who haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I hope you love the movie. I'm sending out all the love from the crew to you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. One love. Bless upon yourself. No disrespectful words. I love you guys. One love every time. I'm out.
Well, it mean nothing. Well, it mean nothing.
Jammiwood Studios. Love is real.
That take me heart out of my chest and give to you, give to you. Anytime you're around me, I make you happy, never make you blue, never make you blue. Now I believe when I'm said, love is true, love is true. You have me thinking about you, thinking of, you got me thinking about you. You got me dreaming about you. Now my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. And I walk through the forest just to get to you. I even walk on a crocodile back. I even climb in the treetop just for you. Take a bullet, run with a grenade. I die for you. This is true love. You have me feeling some sort of way, girl. What you doing to me? Got my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Love be free. Let love be free. Love be free. Let 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 love be free.
Look a young girl on ya. What have you done? Make niggle. Miss niggle. Blood that's something there, you know.
You can't get enough girl down here.
For the Miss Niggle?
What do you mean? What do you mean? Enough girl they don't have any queer. Whole heap of girl in there.
No long, me not see that something there. When I tell my girl, they say.
Whole heap of girl in there place. So really just say. No, no, alright. It's still not alright, not sure. You just step in. My godmother. You're alright.
Good evening.
You can't say good evening. You can't say morning, night, good night, whatever.
Good morning.
Good evening.
Sure, Russell.
You know, see? Me have to work, you know. Me have to work. You want my papa put the prayer for me now?
No matter what it is.
You want to tell me say you see the man go there so tip over it and tell me say no man not there. So it's invisible.
No matter there.
Where come out? Come when you want something from me, you come around.
I know say around that time I come, I ask the time money to buy something to eat. Before me go back around there.
You forgot the please.
Please, Mr. Please, so you never hear.
Oh. Alright,
I'm hungry.
so hold on here. You never eat it. Every time you tell me say that, you come on.
If you're the friend I feel like this man never left nothing, how would I eat? Tell me how would I eat?
One favorite.
Be there, go, brother!
How would I call it?
I fired the driver and came around here.
You have feel to give him?
No.
Let's see the money here. I'm a father money with the game. So let me tell you something. Although you are a goddaughter.
Yeah.
You see, anytime you have this baby, and this baby get hard, you gone back on your foot and can go work. I don't want back all that money that we give you.
Yeah.
I just want back this. Because I'm a partner money I give your son. Now I have to go borrow people money, try work it and pay them back to pay the partner money. Go on.
Alright, thanks.
Yes.
See you.
Make sure
I'm gonna come in.
Yes, make sure you buy something healthy to eat, you know. You have some dirty healthy man. One thing I can't eat, you know, and it's really good money. Sure. You can't see nothing more, you know. I know me tell, that the people don't feel me good, you know. What are the dirty driver then he make carry? I'll go to the driver that's still, you know. You kind of have little hard feet. If you don't have no money, you give one little lift, then you come back. Come hard, so you fear. I can take people feel. Action.
Who that?
Me,
Me who?
Kayla mother.
Oh God, our next problem again, man.
Open this man. But me who? You don't know manners. You hear me say me?
Oh God.
Listen to me, I come over here to ask one simple question.
Yeah.
What you plan to have?
What you get you?
Yeah.
Oh.
What should I do here?
What you do over here?
Kayla mother.
So she knows say Kayla mother this. A Kayla friend this.
Yeah.
So what you do over here with Kayla baby father?
My man.
Your friend baby father, your man. I make you walk this so.
There you go. The daughter no work this. She no work this.
Now you see one come over here in my yard and cuss me for Kayla is at the same time over here start to kill man.
Yeah. Take you.
Look at Kayla, you're so walkless. Your mother not grow better. Come lean up find that so go around this, go around this, go around this. Me come for talk to Bob, me come for each other.
Stay around this, look at them.
Listen to me. What make you turn so?
How?
Kayla na your baby mother.
Yeah.
Na Kayla best friend that.
Yeah.
So you sleep with Kayla best friend.
No, we not. You never come see we are sleeping. You know? You see her around the
Take
so.
off your for your face when you chat to me. Where you have plans to Kayla?
As me tell everybody come and ask me the same thing. Everybody around the place.
Well, this I know everybody. This is Kayla mother. Where you have plans to my daughter? Cause you don't breed him, you know.
Oh God. You know so what day I bring some things here and boy our godmother disgrace me.
Listen to me. That's a what dear. And now me I talk about Kayla so her baby now, you know.
When Kayla have baby me can go to 110 grand and
Aye. Let me this. Wait, so when Kayla how?
before Kayla have baby.
You're supposed to fit there right out with him there with him in Butterfoot friend.
Listen now, Kayla have to relax, Kayla fight too much. Kayla have to relax herself.
If I never give her something to fight for, she would do a fight. Look who you gotta take up. Kayla friend, look who I might. You see. Is it true no pit and no better? Cause no claim so no woman and man. And me have to tell you, say, Kayla need things now, no later, nor tomorrow, no. So you go get up right now and go look for my daughter. By the way, Kayla should have there, so look who you have over here.
Babes. Yeah. Come here.
You forgot something to the person?
Wait, no, just relax now. I go down pan the road, you see me? I get back nothing for you.
Yeah, we have a panel to do.
She go look for him, I go look for him baby mother. That's him I go do. Get up and go on.
I look for Kayla.
So we are going so far. We can't talk to me.
No, I know your man and my daughter, baby father.
My man.
So come back.
Come over here, so come over here. Go through the door. You.
You say you come back.
You.
Alright, be. Only for
You?
come. Can't something nice.
You girl, you see if you're nail to me take that me and butter you.
Alright, come on.
Son apps. Yes, sir. How are you there, son? Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you there?
I'm calling me now.
Girl, my find my daughter. I just want to come apologize for it. We can push up your face one day. So, my girl, what your problem? We come to apologize, so we are.
Me don't want you to apology. So I come here, so I'm maybe I say me you're good. Me don't want apology. Every time you see me, you always want to be seen. Why?
Because, girl, let me tell you something. No, because me come here, so.
Oh, hello.
And I apologize, so you feel like me, I said that you a picnic, and me got prison for you. You don't know me, a bad girl, you look on yourself.
What do you mean now?
So, but because you see me come, and I say, me sorry for whatever happened one day because of the upset and I couldn't find that. But I come feel like you got disrespect because you're a little girl. Remember that.
You know to me, you could have been big, little, small, medium, large. I don't care. You can be big woman, you could have whatever call me, whatever you want to call me. I don't care. I don't business what you want to say. Get that.
Little girl, shut up your mouth. Shut your mouth. You see me tell them about on the picnic on another manners.
Listen to me.
You see? I because you're a picnic. I mean, no say, y'all, I got a prison already now. I kill me now, I kill you. I you see me pass in a good mood. I tell you, I'm sorry for the little happenings because I couldn't find me that. I go like you want to disrespect me.
Lady.
Y'all, let me tell you something. You know what? Take a step and go on.
Lady, let me tell you something.
Things, you know?
Let me tell you something. You may be the bad girl, but me the baddest thing around here.
Yeah, baddest thing around here.
Yeah, and watch me.
Where? I'm going to take me your size for girl. Go pissy tail girl. Where? None ambition. They dirty man you take. Watch me and you.
The woman don't be so. I come and go talk about how she a bad girl. It not go so call first thing my mother ever raised me so. Watch me and her. She never know say a wrong girl this she come. Just watch me and her. I don't talk. Watch me and her.
No one else gonna believe me. And me tell them say money law. I'm actually taking money by chips. They ain't gonna believe me.
Where are you? Where they are? Where they are?
They know some girl and go on meditation. But still, they know some nice to round people.
What kind of meditation you feel? Well? You know, look how you're young. I look at you me I met man.
Oh, yeah, we don't feel like me inside you.
Picnic can't frighten big people. Me I wonder where they are. So you're not supposed to sit on this up on the roadside. We're not going to go on home. Come go on home. You're not oh your mother there. They're for a road. What's in there? Alright. Now come my car right now for look.
What is that?
Little girl. Come on and eat, you know.
When you hear the knocking, you're supposed to know. What?
Oh God. Hey man, no good man.
Can I hear nothing from Kayla?
Well, me not hear from Kayla directly about me kind of.
Are you not interested to know?
Let me finish that now. We're going to do investigation. I'm here to Kayla the Kayla good.
Where you say she did?
Listen, I don't need to tell her who tell me how when me hear so she did. You know so she did what she did she good. You know what she did though?
Anyway, Kayla they run our hotel. And not because I come to talk to you about you're one a child, you know. But I just make a daughter, you know. Not because she disrespect you. I know you feel and I know you feel bad. You know your mind that tell us you don't like her and you love her again.
No, don't do that. I might pitney me love Kayla, don't do that.
But listen, me not idiot. Me listen what you say and me listen what Kayla say. As far as me concerned, the way she says like you don't like her.
Listen to me. Me only thing me ever do I try put Kayla on the right path. Kayla wants straight. Each time I put her back so she's straight. So me have to just make she kind of face up on her own me feel a little.
And the right thing you do. But anyway, don't go and bother already. Don't bother yard. But then say we're gone by the morning, can't come back at evening. So that means he can't come back in the yard.
Kayla can't come
I try
back
correct
anytime
myself.
she
No,
wants
I
to
know
come
you go.
back.
Wait. This know you go now. I still your daughter. And she gonna need some more stuff. Although me buy a whole heap of something for her, but she wants some other things.
Alright, listen to me. I get one little work. I go wait for one. Not long, but one short period at time. I go wait for. So when I go and I make the money, I work hard to make the money. As soon as I get the money, I buy something for Kayla, like prom and something. All that stuff. I'm willing to help her. Even me, what me can do, me can send the money, come give you, make you buy them.
No man, it's alright. Just buy the promise here. They have some new type of promise. You won't mind you buy one of them one day here. If you can buy like alone, me will help make up and buy. But make sure you buy some more baby clothes and some more stuff. Put on with me already.
What kind of baby Kayla?
You know, Kayla says she want one surprise because she tell me how bag say. She not fit do no work.
So Kayla still a talk about Bob.
They're not bad breeder.
Baba help her? Baba
Anyway,
help her?
She never go doctor to find out which baby she has.
So how me I gonna know what kind of clothes to buy?
You can buy pink and blue. Then can right now anybody wear any color clothes.
But I go find the liquor work. And as soon as I collect my first paycheck, I buy some things for her. And then send her money down here because yeah, help her out as a godmother.
No, I don't want no money. I want you to give Kayla the money.
When me say the money come give you, I mean I send it come give you buy some, give Kayla for Kayla buy some food stuff because Kayla go want food. Kayla go want food.
You know, say Kayla never call no one day and not tell me say she hungry.
Listen to me.
Sometimes I feel one day if Bob no give girl no money no doll.
Bob no mind that the girl. Kayla just make Bob have him some. And we all me talk, as me talk, me try to talk to me. But I'm my daughter and I love my people. So I'm going to
Anyway, I'm going to run you now because it's sun hot here.
yeah man,
So when you sort out and something, you can just call me and let me know.
alright.
Yeah. Alright.
Hey, Barbara. You know, so did you see that over there?
No, she come back.
The pregnant girl, the time I go do her ear.
So what on then? The pregnant girl cry, you could do my daughter here. So you didn't know about the kidnapping.
Well, I never really knew one thing was going on. She said, I'm not going to stay on it. But yeah, you said she come out and she will see you. She said, may I tell you?
Yeah, because my daughter said she kidnapped her over the pizza man. But my daughter said one day she must bring something she eat and she end up pull her and then she knock her up back and kidnap her. So she said she never want to go on a station or nothing like that. She want to render evil for evil. I never agree with her, but you do it to me, me do it to you.
They need to stop that little childish game or whatever. You kidnap them one another for a little boy because he not worth it. And it two of them pregnant. And as they say that I kidnap her, she remember say she pregnant too. So she have to let her go.
Yeah, and look here now, me tell her say make sure say she give her water, her food and her juice and take care of her. But tell her to let her go, but remember them are young people and them are render evil for evil. Hope not do her during the time but she have her come talk to her now. Hopefully she can soon make sure go and come and say leave these people alone. You step on the left, you take the right. The man now worth it. Every day when you get up on a quarrel and a fight about this piece of boy where I do nothing for none, you know. Can I set her up now? So when she go missing, it was like everybody talk about she did this. A little piece of baby father him. I try you know. I say him. Me say wait till I catch him. I go put argument to me, you know. Like him take me and him a size. Girl, me talk to my daughter and me just hope she'll listen and I hear what me say and just love out them people there.
Exactly.
Anyway, me I go up the road. So take care of yourself.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh, Jesus. You know, just left over here.
That I just, far me go?
Yeah, but a couple hours ago.
Yeah, anyway.
What happened, you know?
It's a come like one sad story, but don't take it too hard. Just pray about it. Anyway, you remember me telling say, me leave Kayla round a hotel she there?
What do you mean, take in?
Me just go around, if she did take in you in so bad, girl. Me just go around at the hotel. I mean, see Kayla. When me ask the security, say, where Kayla there? The security say, Kayla, missing for how much days now? But true, me not go around there how long, and me did leave her around there. Me think she around there still, and me never call her.
Hold on. What do you mean by Kayla missing?
The security say she don't come back, so in mind tell him say, I'm missing, she missing, because she would normally go and come back in, so.
So you check over, Bob?
Are you rotted? Are you, Are you first me can't tell?
No.
Yes, me just want to make certain because if she missing, she missing.
Me I come them.
Because how she finna around there. Then say anyway she go, she always come back and a good while now. She left how long now and then I see her come back.
No.
But the security say inform the front desk.
And then I call you?
When me go to the receptionist say she did a call me but she couldn't get me, so but then lay one statement down at the police station. And the police them say then we try get in touch with me. Look like a wrong number they give them, cause why me not see no missed call from no police?
This can't. Me
have to go look for Kayla. Me not understand where you're going right here, so.
Me not understand this. Me I go above right now.
I hope she'll listen and I hear what I say and just leave out them people, the girl. Anyway, take care of yourself, yeah?
Yeah, man, alright. Later.
Yeah, man, later.
Yo, stay there, hold on your head till you see me and they go on like anything. You think me not see you see me from right this side, you see me your pit in my bush and
me.
Who you smell? Me? Girl, nobody tell no lie. Come see, as you see me, you cut hair for me and spit in my bush. Well, who you smell?
Something serious wrong with you and I feel like something serious wrong with you.
Girl, me
You
beard.
see me spitting a bush.
I saw you go down the road the other day, you go tell the girl them, oh, me can't teeth your dress, girl, me no want your dress. Me no want your dress, me no wear girl dress. A matter of fact, you know me come out, and you know me come out, that's why they hold on your head because you look guilty. Me no understand how as your daughter, fine. As they find for your daughter, so for me daughter just disappear, so.
You don't talk?
You look like you're guilty. But the disappearance of my daughter, you disappear. Hey.
Lady, you don't talk?
You are going to disappear in a... Listen now, I'm tell you say. Not even 1 minute or 1 hour. It's too long.
Me make sure.
In a 1 second.
Yeah,
Me don't business record me.
America.
Because it look like I say, you involved in my daughter disappearance.
I know there's something wrong with you, know. You know, say your daughter got a foreign. So all of a sudden, now your daughter go miss now me or something for do with it.
What you try to say? Me an idiot? Yes, me a damn idiot. Because you should have known, say, people got daughter, then daughter same way. You know already in your heart. You know. Say I'm a goddaughter, me they talk. So what you say my daughter?
You go move and go on business.
No, me not understand this. Me want to know what go down, you know. Go on about which business. I just see me. Why you spitting in a bush for?
You see me spitting in a bush? You look
we
like
are cut hair off a girl.
You have a serious problem.
Yes, you and your daughter is problem in a me and my goddaughter life. I mean, not say no goddaughter if you please you. I'm my daughter too, so what?
You know, say me right.
You know, say I want wicked.
You're right. You're not back up no goddaughter, and a goddaughter you back up. And the man where you take with your goddaughter, it you talk about.
Let me tell you something.
That's why you're so angry all the
the man
time.
the way you talk about? You look like I say you should have done with the man instead of you're one a personal picnic where you push out. Because you look like a den type of thief in dirty man. You're like, what you mean a man? You're crazy right now. Me sorry saying breed that the idiot there breed my goddaughter. You're mad. All I care, your daughter could I even scrape him right now from my goddaughter. Me no care. Me don't care. The only problem me have with that the drunkard the way I can talk about, he not like work. In thief. You see how low my goddaughter go put fear little self and your daughter, then stoop very low because I don't see where they sip on him where they want. And that you feel look into. And you know see it make me feel they argue with you all the while because you indulge your daughter to take people man before you tell him to go look one different one. We're better than this and man we bring the two of them.
So I did go tell my daughter for come take care of goddaughter.
No,
man.
are you chatting with your mouth say yes? When me say a yes. Make me daughter turn me daughter or look here, what that you teach your picnic?
The free send him more say.
You see it?
Can you like build mischief and tell
people? Because you're a mischief maker. You a tail bearer when you don't put everything for me like I say.
You know, me never say
that. You can't go downtown the other day, girl.
Jesus
you in my market as me go in the figure buy vegetable. You think so the woman not tell me where always so you don't know Dorothy. Where always buy vegetable pan. You are a liar, girl.
Hello.
The other day, they buy vegetable from the same woman and come back by the planting and the breadfruit from the woman. That same woman there. And you call out my name to the woman.
You know what I'm tell you what the woman tell me. The woman tell me say here she know you and you're not a friend. And she know a long time you walk on my man and I talk on my man. And I saw your friend up the road, he take the next boy away there mine. So you know you go like a friend and take up your man.
I can't make up story mine which damn blasted man, you idiot. Me have me got that. My daughter, although she gone a foreign. My daughter they are foreign when me used to have in mind. Plus me got daughter. Me go take up man and my something wrong with you.
Me head hurt me can't
take. Not tell us so you're a liar.
Tell me bring her come right so me can prove it.
No, she at work. Make we meet her in the market.
No problem, no problem.
Why never record her when she said that?
That me should have done. Because I notice you know every minute you come with some form of trial and some kind of mix up. Me can't deal with it. But so me tell my daughter say leave him alone. She not have to take none from her from me and set her up in her life.
Leave her alone where you push.
Yes, I don't me tell her
they
leave.
Push her in a Bob life.
I lie you tell.
Like you don't want Bob talk to nobody else more than your world right now. Me sorry say my
I'm sorry too.
Wish you sorry.
Me sorry too.
Your mother other day me hear big stink out the road. Oh, you tell your daughter say fi make you carry her home your woman fi tie Bob on her. You's a wicked little witch. And that's why me not like you because you walk too much over you. That's why Bob no want to own up my goddaughter picnic. See, can you
we not own my daughter neither, so own me.
Oh, you mean you not own him? And the girl see me that day when you never did they come bounce on my shoulder. Boop! Bounce on my shoulder. So me say your mama tell us if you see me and go
my daughter.
And I do so. What she do that for? Yes, so me have to say, girl, come here, take me your size. You see when me see your mother, you go see what me and go do to you.
But look here now.
She say she go tell you say me. Hold her and lick her. Me don't hold the girl and lick her. Me hold her hand so and say, girl, me and your mother, a big woman, you a little pitney, me and no size, nobody with me, and a matter of fact, that girl when me see you turn up with. Who she? Who she? Me want know who she.
So, you so close to
me
everybody.
Want know
and you don't know who she be.
I can't somebody when me know. But me never see her face so good as me they come to
look here now.
I want to do that chat about.
Me I beg you. Just allow me. and my daughter. My daughter say every time you see her, you know, every time you see her,
Me don't want the car, she say me go line for her answer.
She never see the car, she say your class her or your class me. The man done take and done and gone and she end up.
Me did a class, but me never do it, girl, nothing. She too wicked. Are you?
Lady.
Yeah, give me my phone, your teeth.
Give me this,
girl. You're not get it back. Let me go. Let me go. You know what? You see that?
Yeah, keep my phone.
You see that phone, yeah? You see this? This. My God, dad. And your daughter thief, and you take it from your God.
Me?
And you take it from your
I
dad.
take people things?
So you want it?
Yeah.
Come take it, no, come take it. Come take it. Come take it. Come take it.
Give me phone.
I phone you want. Go along about your business.
Hey, you know, see your glasses, let go.
Me nah let go you.
Let go.
Me nah let you go.
Let me go.
Anybody want phone to buy?
Give me phone.
You nah get it back.
Me say, woman, you know, say me feel like say, I know the man who me take from you and me did want. I know the man. Can you upset
Where say me did want? You.
And me did want.
Why?
Jesus Christ. Every time the woman see me, she want in an argument. She want hug up. She want fight. And me say, woman, me a breast like she. You can keep it.
Yes. Can you not get it back?
Keep it.
You not get it back.
Come again, tell you stay.
You thief it from your daughter. Your daughter thief it from back. I can't thief it back from
me
you.
know, me say, you know your love, Obi, me a go bed.
Blood of Jesus against you.
You can't keep
me a go sell this and me a go give my goddaughter the money.
Yeah, keep it.
Bright.
Bob, you don't hear me? Bob! Yes, Bob? Vital. So when they're vital, alright, thanks. Me look for him, alright. Yeah.
Baby good?
Yeah, alright.
Well, the reason why you can't fall back with the other because mom will come back, you know? So you know man spend some time on her. Long time. Because she not did it for a while.
I try to make sure.
So when she go away, you can't come back. But
okay.
You can't come here now, she not did it. Not to ever show enough to show up. You see me? Until you go in.
So wait, if I hear a mother, remember say I'm pregnant pain now. So when a baby born and it's something there, remember say I baby godmother, you know. So what you mean by me not for show up?
Listen, just don't show up. And it's not a specific reason.
But the woman know me already.
Yeah, she know you, but you ain't know she kind of sick.
She's sick.
Yeah, so I know you catching up and the baby catching up. So I just know how you go around him because the step you do so you catch it.
So you not catching?
No, because me hardly did it. Me not really did it.
So where you there?
Yeah?
So if you not did it, where you there?
Remember say I want there, I want, you know, and I'm with friend like this. But me go there and come back, go and come back. But don't worry about that, so I'm gonna say when she gone.
Okay. Yeah, me did it. So forget something else. I like something else.
Make that just first. I can't pick out too much thing for your stomach. You understand?
See how the ice cream man did a pass a while ago.
Where did ice cream man baby have diarrhea?
No, I'm not diarrhea.
Early morning, no tea, no. Just so food. I'm gonna tea. No. You have to drink some strong, nice tea. You see
Like what?
Eh?
Me drink tea.
Like tea bag, mint tea and them. And them.
Aye. Where Kayla there?
What kind of question that? Me don't know what Kayla there.
Listen to me. They said Kayla missing, you know. I'm come over here to look for you. And me can't find you. So then tell me see how up a white holiday. Where Kayla do my daughter there?
Listen, lady, I don't know your daughter there.
So how you feel your own?
If you look for your dad, you think I look for you too? Ready? Yeah, I say I look for you too. Simple meaning say I'm a baby mother, yes, I have to look for him overall. I go to the villa yesterday and look for him then say she don't run there. So I don't know what you talk about this missing thing and it was news to me. So when I say missing, what you mean? Can't find what you talk about.
So I look for this way, I look for Kayla. Sit down there, so I chat. Who are that girl? Although I next baby mother. I was going to come here.
I don't know if I wonder where she is.
I say Kayla missing. Enough for you know. I want to talk to Riri. Because other day you missing. And now you come back, my daughter missing. Some would want to know if somebody kidnapped the baby mother and do something to them because that's too coincident. Carol. Some want to know what happened.
Well, I don't know what happened, you know. All the thing I know is that I never there, so I didn't go to the country and cool out for a while. Because I didn't want a break from Bob and all the drama, what is going on with the baby mothers.
Oh, so I left?
Yeah, I didn't go to the country.
So I try to say I left my daughter left go.
I don't know my daughter.
Baba needs to go find a baby mother.
I don't know nothing about her.
When she be gone, I think say she be gone with man. So she gone, maybe she gone with man for true, but I don't know. As I call she come back.
Pop, get up and go look for me. Pop, get up. No, Riri, you don't know nothing about this.
No man,
Pop, no. You don't want to go to Riri. I don't want to go back and watch.
Really and truly, no woman have one man. So, I don't know which part Kayla there. Between me and you, mine a man Kayla gonna look for. Mine the pitney one have after the next man, so I'm gonna check the next man. Mine and for Bob.
So you pick the way you have for Bob?
Yes. Yes, me think say yes. A pitney for him. Me are the rightful owner, the true. Remember say me know say me are the one burner.
One burner.
Yes.
Just make sure for your pitney have one for and not two.
Yeah. You can ask me where Kayla is. They look like Kayla keeper. I wonder if Kayla hungry or no. The time I'm there, so I talk about one burner, I'm sure I beg your mother want money. To go buy something there to eat. Sweetie! Wait there. Why? It's like come here cool and the sun well red, well hot. Buy your money, buy one juice. The sun. I don't know. Alright, thanks.
You know if you do to please me, Abigail. You know say I'm Kayla not tight, so but look out for me daughter, because that little girl that make me worry too much. And try me put her out, it has stressed me out.
Yeah, alright. Let me
So
see
please,
her.
if I see her, you just let me know.
Alright. You go buy him something now.
Hello.
Hello.
You know Kayla?
Yeah, I know Kayla. Me a Kayla here, sir.
Are you always do her here?
Yeah.
A lie. So when Nancy see her?
Well, a long time now. I not see her a long time. She no call me or text me for do her ear.
I understand. But Kayla, you're doing. The last time me speak to Kayla and see Kayla with me two big old eye them. Kayla, you're the do. But you make it sound like a long time you do Kayla here and that look fresh.
Not a really long time, but a good while now. Normally she would have called me, like, she normally give me client. Normally she would have called me and give me.
Alright. Kayla, what about me and me, our godmother?
Yeah, she tell me about you.
Well, I don't know when she tell us about me, you know. But me not tell her something. Right now, I don't know if you know already, but Kayla missing.
Because you say I'm not here from her for 1 year.
I just want to make you know, so if you see her, in case you see her, I don't know if you ever see her, just try and link me. Don't me yard. The air type, you know Kayla like that, you must know she lives. Anyway, you see woman where me see you somewhere up the road, way up some. Me spot you and she the talk. I want to do that about.
Oh.
One woman in a one blue sitting.
Yeah, she did ask me how much we charge for ear and something. So I would have tell her price and them jewelry.
Why you start laugh as me have said that? You look like a liar. Tell her what you do. You know that little witch there? You know her?
The reason I laugh because I know say yeah,
me no want.
In a couscous. But the little boy where your goddaughter and fear that.
And a little boy, a big old dirty thinking man, they walk and a breed 15-year-old. Yes, pedophile, I don't like them. That's why me and the man can't agree. And me and the woman, when me see the chat to wear on a way round so.
That's why I laugh.
Yeah, round so we can't agree neither because she feels say I want my goddaughter to get the idiot man with them call Bob. Holy and solely, but a petition on one say me sorry. Say that the dirty drunker there, my goddaughter pick up. Even though she young and she ain't ready for no man. But she done breed already when I do. Me not go tell her for that show belly.
Exactly.
But she breed for the wrong man. You understand? And then them a come go on like I say, choose she a mother-in-law for Bob. Like Baba nobody. He ain't Baba thief and him a criminal. Anyway.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, you at work? Yeah, more you come go with something on the road, like more you drive me around for day.
No, because you know say my vehicle, you know, you broke down for me, but it depends on if I hold your work, I can rent a car and carry out same way, same thing, you see?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Who me I talk to?
A Diamond.
Diamond?
Yeah.
Alright. So you know family, right?
Alright.
Walk around there.
Yeah.
You know, we just call the people them, so yeah, rush?
Not really.
Well, but they won't jump off a vehicle, right? And them tell you the the vehicle they already know. The vehicle don't know so, but them not the smaller carry key come in, alright? So as soon as they get the key come, we can open the road, alright? So you can have a seat. Yeah, sit down on that. Not even what you say over there.
No, Tiffany.
My girl, what you know, man? Don't worry about my baby mother thing, you see me? I will tell her, say, they don't tell us me and mine, one of them. All of my baby mother, them, me and mine, they don't tell her that. Baby, stop worrying about baby mother. If you want to come in my life, you can forward in my life, you see me? Me and some of them not today again. You understand? I'll do it, like, finish. Anyways. Mama, you don't have to worry yourself. You want to come in the life, you don't life, you can forward into. You see me? Of course, you have to get tickets. You take care of all of my baby mother, them. I tell you that to you. Buy them what is something. Be a Gucci, a Louis Vuitton, a Versace, and them look or something there, you see me? For them thing them expensive. Lord, you don't know say, you don't know say, last year buy Kayla a little bits. But I tell her buy it because you don't want to buy it no more. You buy one little bits, you know if you go and push on the road. You see me? And buy really much baby clothes and buy Kayla baby clothes already. You see me? I really mother too. Yeah, I take care of them too. You see me? I take care of Riri mother and take care of Riri and the baby and everything.
Dirty boy.
I'm so call about that.
Dirty boy, take care of who?
Eh?
I see you trick the girl them.
What talk about?
Who you the phone for table? You take care of Riri mother. Are you buy Kayla
No,
bits?
me never say Riri mother.
What you say?
Me say me want to try, me want to start take care of Riri.
You want to start take care of Riri? I say you trick the girl them and tell them how much money you get, how much money. You fit up it. You fit up it. Hey, you see you? You want to dirty boy, you know?
Tell her if you want a piece of me, you just tell me, you know.
Which one piece of you for the one with you?
You can just tell me, you know.
One piece of you for the one with you?
Anytime you see me, yeah, cheat me.
You can't for me, boy. Me say this a boy, yeah.
You have room, you know.
You breed Kayla. You breed my daughter. Me see how one little fly back to one I run up and down with. I know me here on phone. I tell one next one say.
You know, so me know what the problem is now. I know what the problem is.
You take care of.
You know what the problem is
mind
now.
me.
Wait now.
You mind me.
No, wait now. Me know what the problem is now. You want me to breathe that. Come. Like, hey, listen, I'm not fine today now.
Boy, we take one way going.
Listen to me.
What you say? You think you kill this boy?
You can't just beg me in the club.
Beg in the club?
Beg me in the club. What do you do?
Hey boy, beg in the club. I will bust up in the boy. I will bust. Look where you think me size.
Listen to me.
Hey, you see this? I will shrug it out of socket.
You think me careless?
Look for me if you think me careless. What we could I do with you?
Just listen to me now.
You breed my daughter, you breed her friend. Me see how the next like a fly back to you and you go come tell me about if me want. Hey boy, what for kick it out now? Better you go on where you going now. I better you go on where you go. Your piece of, hey boy.
Next thing you have a piece of money, yeah?
Your piece of money, you see you? You see when you want picking in the year, it's alright, watch me and your man. Don't worry yourself. Piece of shit, yo. Never see this yet. This little boy come tell me, but me want somebody. Where you have a me take? It's a little non-progressive element. Hey, the boy gonna make me name of things, you know. The boy gonna make me go to prison. Can breed my daughter and then go and put talk to me like you see that name my size. Don't worry yourself, I'm gonna suit your sorrows.
Why don't you play things like that? Go car. Yo, you know one DVD play in a car right now. You want me to sell it? Oh, no, me have it, man. I just drive with that girl and she not a thief, man. She look like a thief, but I don't think she a thief. Alright. We done talk about the price already, right? And you done see the shirt I'm wear come out, right?
So should I really price?
No, because you see them put on a money shirt here. It's not a funny shirt.
You say accept and decline.
We not decline the money when you don't see man. I will come on road for you now.
No add it.
Bro, they're busy though. I want to play, mama. What played earlier?
I want to play.
Now go on for me then. Buy white woman a while ago since man and them play white man. I try win money because I buy one car over there, you know. You know, so I drive a white car over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I buy it for a mandible. Boy, then me a raw deal. I can't say no because I'm a man always say scamming real. And I know so if you look out for the scammers, them, you know. Boy, that's scamming, man. Big old scamming, man. So I want to mash up car. As I start driving, I have to make no money back off it and the car mash up. When I call it, they say, boy, should you drive it off of the lot already? I buy it and mount a store, them and tell me. Just buy back and fix it, man. I say, yo, I say no to them, man. I left them to time, man. Left them to the more side. Yeah, man. So every time a man thinks them are the good, when them rob you, you have two dogs to fall to them, man. Make some dog tears upon them. Anyway, what you say you have you look very flummoxous.
What that mean now?
That means say your lip look like it a walk, your mouth look like it a work. Flummoxous. You understand?
Oh.
No, look like you love cuss, I mean. You love use your mouth. Yeah. You have a nice mouth.
Just go and drive.
So you have to talk about your mouth, so you have to have your mouth so. You make it clap.
Anyways, one drive, me tell you where I go. I remember saying to got some my money, and let me see them around.
You are the first one to complain about sitting and laugh. Man love that when anything went laugh.
Not me.
See a lady a buy can what the and the tell the man say no want the short can, he want the long can. You carry go our next location, the man a sell cucumber. He don't want the short cucumber, he want the long cucumber.
Right.
Me see cane a sell. He don't want the short cane, he want the long bump cane. So what you are saying about long wait? The woman that love to sit down long and wait. Of course, me I see you for my black. I'll give me number.
Your friend name?
Which one?
Candy.
Oh, a good girl that man.
Yeah.
A long time, I don't get no work from him, cause from him. Tell me something. Him goddaughter have fit me already?
I don't know.
Cause me forget the work, you know. So I don't understand. A long time I don't see her. I check her though. Me have to go check her because I don't want to know the charter like that to carry her go down so miss me, you know. Because when it just a belly I go up and I get my car. We have a first car before that I used to drive her up and down till I carry them mash up. I'll drive past him, I'll show you.
Are you forget at the hospital?
Yeah, I'm going to get the work.
Yeah, baby. Oh. Yeah, well in gear.
Because I don't see her from when, you know. Now I don't see her.
I get the sign on me, do I hear?
How you do I hear? You're a hairdresser.
Yeah.
So you can't, what can I hear you do? You know, locks.
Yeah, me do anything.
Oh. You know somebody will want in locks though.
Anywhere here them can call me.
Alright. You sound like you're freaky, you know.
You know where you talk about
So you say anywhere here there. You have
me
enough
talk
woman have
about-
some ear down at some place. You want to come it up?
Anywhere here there can call me.
See me car over here, so
For
there.
that ear an hour, you call me. What's wrong?
See there, the one where you see the AD wagon. AD wagon, yeah. That's it.
Are you here too?
Yeah. It's a chill down them place over here, so one there for one palace. Don't worry about the police them, man. Why you stop by for Rasta? Burn it down. Alright. You better hear me, so. Virgin them, man. That's security, man. You see people work hard for their money. I rate that. Because Jamaica is a hard place. It's not easy, but walk one! Boy there! Boy there! Walk one! Boy there!
Over people know you're a star.
Yes, because you have to keep yourself friendly because you want to make the money. That's how you make money, by being friendly. Nobody want to roll with you because you're not my friend. But some of the time you work against you, because they say you're not my friend and I don't want to pay you money.
True.
Yeah, so still 6 of one, half dozen of the other. I want to have in your jack on the walk your mouth as you come in here. You know, so when you eat in my car, the price go up because I go take more for clean.
And in my finding.
So that worse up. If you get anything in here like a first class, you're not charged a first class. Anything you see in here and alright. I know me, I rent the car, so anything that I'm
So because you make me sit down and you try to put on back your money.
No, but what I say, if you sit in the car and you eat it, that means say you're going to pay for it. That's alright, you're bill. Burn it down! Can't go more than some, man, I see out. Burn it down! Come on, jaggy. I go do that, you know. I tell you. I youth try to survive, man. Long time I know that youth. I used to sell movie one at a time, you know. Yeah, I used to sell movie one at a time and thing. Good body. Oh, don't run off a road no more. Yo, you see me? It's a good thing I ain't not married, you know.
So you not married?
Not yet.
Alright.
I have to go to Africa. You know? Because I like what I go on over there still, not some guys, you know? Yeah. So I think I will leave over there one at a time then. But I can have at least 2 wives or 3 wives.
Oh.
Right?
And the culture you like?
I like it, man. Because sometimes coffee and sometimes tea. Sometimes we may disagree. You go in your room. You work with the next one.
Oh, I see what the ayah say.
Yeah. And you can pregnant now. And the next one pregnant same time. So baby born May, one born June.
Right.
You understand? And one of them who can't get pregnant take care of it with them. While the breeders them just go and breed up.
See what the ayah say.
They can't defeat us. No, because you know we're gonna need youths them to change what we want. So if you don't have them, who's gonna change it? We done that one place and now we can do what we can do, but still you have to have the course of changing in the pipeline. Where say I go? Come just a drive. I look at me. We don't want you look because you look like you know money, you know. Because you just attempt to drive, I don't even tell me your destination where you go. But where you going? I couldn't go up and down, come I don't know where you go. I'm just a drive. You want to drive out?
Are you going right way?
I always go the right way. Boy there! Put the money in your pocket, girl. So where you from differently?
Kingston.
He's a Kingstonian. I never dealt with that girl from Kingston yet, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, so I go. I have to body up. I have to slap across the face and no, I don't know, because we get the perception.
So I say, look at you girl them?
No. Because according to how the era go. So you know, so if you say it's a girl from Senti, I ask her if she wants some money or some 30. You know what I mean? And two machete, yeah, we can't get them things there. Some zinc and some if we build Paul Cover and livestock and them way there because we know so that the area there. But when I talk about Kingston and say my bad friend them come from Dosso. You know what I mean? So I know so right there I have to deal with like one Kingston and say, yo, hey girl. Yeah. Rough. But me nah tell you the truth. I don't tell you no lie neither. I don't have no gun though.
Nah, go ahead.
No, listen now. I have a gun then. Bust at one place. And bust that the band. It's easy. I have a pow in it. Yeah. Straight to the target and you get what you want, right?
You need the other gun too.
Listen. The one gun that I have. You don't need another. Because the first thing we jump out is gonna get a sister or a brother. What you talking about?
After boy breed me that I know, and breed the next girl you know, and the next careless girl where him have you know, and he go tell me about him can breed me too.
If you need a picture now, you need to push off me. If you need a picture now, take that in there.
Yeah, but got green feet, don't tell it.
You care me?
Look like you're a virgin, man. How would I care go there? All inclusive over there, like all inclusive. Eat all you can.
Yeah. You care me?
I go carry there, but not today. Because I'm busy and I'm in the mood. But I would have carry you go there one at a time then. I would take your number when you done pay me my money first.
I said no more call up on man.
Alright, so me looking at the phone and jot it down. Yeah, so it's Samsara Hotel on the West End. Yeah. This is an era where I want enough for no black people to come buy out. You understand? Them a place on to come buy out.
We're not buy some of them.
No, listen now. This is true me can't do it. That's what I want to do.
Oh, okay.
No younger people. I have to go try and make your money by any means necessary. Not do nothing too wrong though. But you know what I mean? Yeah, you want a piece of them, piece of the rock. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you can have a look at business money. I sell the things them and I do your look at things them. You know what I mean?
True.
Because black people has lost them way. And I found yesterday, long time. Like I said, look pretty. I have money to spend with the black lady, but money not there yet. I look for what she wants right now. 3 dive. As I told the selector, they went crash one night time. Copper shot them. Yeah man, I like that history there on the road there. You know what I mean? Because these streets don't love you like how your parents doing. These streets to mash you up. Man, that big old truck, you can pull off your sound, make him go on them. Alright? Pull off, make him go on them. See Chuck, how you did? See man have a tell to go up on us, see it?
Yeah.
Tell us, say, oh, you see my brain here? You see my brain here? Mama, if you let me in your secret passage, you're never sick again. You believe me? Believe, I feel. I tell you, if you let me in it, no, me I tell you. Me I tell you so I can see things. You go rich. If you look at this Rasta boy, you're rich. You're not read between the lines though. You have to learn. You know God is a good schooler. But me I tell you, if you look at this boy, you're rich. Burn it down. Yeah, man, I tell you. Youth, what are youth here? How are they? I'm right straight in front of the car. You know, see that a while ago?
Yeah, watch them, man.
I don't watch people, you know?
Alright, for watching road.
Oh, I know, I heard them, man. I take it cool and easy. Alright. I remember I have a cousin work up in the lane there. And him a work and there's a gunman coming upon the place from our work. And it's like him did there, you have to look a button. You understand? And the man them come in with gun. And him call the boss and say, yo gunman, they on property, you know. And the boss say, yeah man, see them man. Let's go and hold the post. I will with the button. What you do for you? With the button? Yeah. And the man have gun? Nah man. So my cousin find one flowers garden. Go lay down and so leave. And that's how you see him stay till morning light. When morning light, he get him back now. Now he one more night. He love his life. You can't tackle one gunman with a button. A good while that happen by now in the rat.
Wow.
Just like family one.
Hi.
Hello.
This is Kayla?
You know long time no see Kayla? You know Kayla then? Oh, you can't find Kayla?
Oh God, I'm tired to walk and ask. Kayla miss me, can't find her.
I just say about that. You didn't know say Kayla miss me. You check down about?
Me go everywhere. Everywhere me go. Everywhere me go Bob yard, but Bob never did it. Me no know. I mean, I see nobody a fee me had to ask, so me just turn back. But me ask so much people, and them say them not see her.
You've got report it.
Then our little dirty woman now I want to kill this woman Kayla have, you know. And she run out Kayla, you know.
Yeah.
And make Kayla if you go through all of them and sitting here with belly, you know.
Because so she develop for Kayla right now.
She don't care. She no business. She act like I say she a go help look for her. But me know say she don't go through come see it, if come follow me if me say something good about her. But me know she a cross this for a long time. So I don't know what kind of mother that Kayla get. Kayla my goddaughter. But I swear, me sorry, say that big old idiot girl there, Kayla ma. The woman who wicked you, she cause Kayla to get pregnant, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Because she never stand up as a mother.
Yeah,
amen. True. She's a neglectful mother, but you see police them. You see true, what did you tell us? You know say Kayla mother the day we do a soldier man, and me say she have a policeman too. So you see, even if me go down a station and report her,
yeah, then now
say she run out Kayla and make Kayla pregnant at the age of 15.
Then not know about it because she had there with one of them down at the station.
But you know, hear ya. Very big, it stink out the road. every party you go, Kayla mother name they all over the place. Say she a soldier matrash and police matrash.
So she a behave?
Yes, so she
and then she go and say she a good woman.
Say she a then say she a community bicycle. And when they put on her yard to talk to her about Kayla, she say she a go and tighty and a hype up herself and a go and like Miss Kakati. And not even have dry shit in her ass. Look here.
She a just want to come back.
Talk about she too much. I just Kayla more and think about. Anyway, if you see Kayla, do me the bigger, you and her a friend for a long time. Do tell Kayla say if you give me a call or just come back me get to see her. I just want to know if she alright. Cause me don't know what gone wrong, but something wrong.
Yeah, man, I tell her. Because we don't want to do that stress out yourself. Now, if I see her, I just tell her say they come link me about her. I just make she come back home.
But you know me I look into something too. You see that girl they will breed for Bob? The little manga skinny one they will look like a okra, but they go on like she a big woman. Where she near Riri. Hey, she and her little dirty scaly foot big belly in shape with mama. You know say Riri did miss one time.
Yeah, you know about that.
But Riri appear up out of the blues all of a sudden.
Riri probably have money at
me look into something. Me not understand how as Riri come back, Kayla disappear.
Something alright. I'm fishy that's for real.
Me no want to judge nobody wrongfully, you know. Cause me can't carry here say go a lie, you know. Judge not take that nor police. Me can't go down a station and go say Mona say Riri and her mother involved with me. I feel sure it's nothing go come out of it. That's why I'm not reach a station already. Me tell them say me go to a station, but I true me want to know if they're involved in it. Me not go nowhere.
But it's like say somebody with a real somebody has something to do with it because she appeared, Kayla disappeared.
You and
right.
My goddaughter, a friend.
Long time.
I may know you, but guess what? You don't know me good. And you see anyhow me find out who the culprit be? Heaven came down and glory filled their soul. I mean one goddaughter that. Look how Kayla belly big. Oh God man. Oh then so wicked. Which man or woman could have ever do that? Kidnap her. She missing. Can't find. We don't know her whereabouts. This big belly suppose she take in. Who did it for help her? None of her friend, none of her family. Me no did it. This a wickedness man. This one Jesus.
Father, please make Kayla come.
This one Jesus. You want Jesus, but you know what? You go and go pray now. So thank you anyway.
Pray, because she need to come back home.
And your friend, you can pray for her.
No, pray for her, of course.
Some don't want she take in which part, wherever she did.
Yeah, and it's not that she not
and nobody,
help.
no help.
Yeah.
In a child's birth, anything can happen to her mother.
Yeah.
A wickedness.
She alone.
Hey, I'm going to hope which part she did, she's safe and alright.
She's still alive.
You know, say God not going to make nothing to her. No care the wicked serpent them try to hurt her. God not going to make the fight for the baby safe. God not going to make nothing to her. But me still a worry because I don't know if she alright. I don't know if she hungry because she ever hungry. Kayla ever hungry. Even if Bob give her, I don't know, you know. Because every time Kayla call me, I go and say it 1 million times, make it earlier, I told Kayla ever hungry. And Bob not give me nothing to eat. Bob give anything to eat? No. Bob not give no money? No. She ever did feel hungry. But me love her still, you know. Yeah. And I can't wait for the baby born, but me want she come back. Me want she come back.
She needs to come back home.
Yes.
Too.
Do you know Miss Sarah as your friend?
Of course I miss her. If you don't she not really talking, but
so you try to call her number and stuff?
No, but never try, no. Never try.
It look like they take with the phone, it don't make no sense. You try. Because me call you a million, trillion, infinity time and it not ring, you just get. Anyway, somebody later. Now ask somebody else if they
yeah, man, go on down the line.
Alright, later, here.
Father God, please make Kayla come back home, please.
Then I let me go. No. When me did in here, did I let me go? I'm careful. And water. So you feel like me want beer too? Why did it happen here? That beer all thing you give me one bucket. How much you want bucket? This will come. This is 2 days, me I come up with the bucket. Father God, why? God, why? When I think your pee, I want to know if you can pee in the cup. Pee like that. So, relax like this. So you're gonna don't question me as a matter of fact. Your baby father alright. We talk about baby father about girl. Relax yourself now. Call me now come back in your car. You will rock no in here now. You can't carry that. Man, you have to rock no in here. Relax. Me keep you down in here now. You can't keep down me. If you keep me down in here, then I'm gonna come back here. Not even food and I get. I don't want to talk about me gone. I come like in the right thing. Do a lock. Me where say I go now?
Me say, me I think about it, you know, because my bed me I go dream about it.
Dream about what?
I hope say, I know say she do it here first, you know, but nobody hold her too long.
No, I'm not hold her too long.
Because remember, I sometimes she have baby now, I hope you feed her.
Yeah, me careful go
and
give her since
water.
Yeah, me give one bottle of water and done it, so I forgot give one next one tomorrow.
Yeah, make sure say you look about her good. Even though I not agree with it, you know, because it's a conspiracy to you know, even though she first do it to you, you know. But remember, say you take care of her good. And when it's time for she have baby, make sure say you call the taxi to bring her down.
Yeah.
Alright?
The same time as she hold me in there, same time me hold her back.
Lord, my daughter. Sometimes I try to tell you say you for render evil for evil. But I understand what you say.
Mommy. That she do to me, I do it back to her.
I understand my baby, but please me I beg you, make sure say everything go good. Because remember, you know, somebody might do you, somebody in them do you something, and them do it so good. And you know, say I go take revenge and go do them back something. Yeah. When you look, you mess up. So please, me I beg you, make sure say you do everything, okay?
Yeah, I'll do everything.
Right, baby.
Yeah.
But I make sure say, so what the boy has do? Where my say?
Oh, and you say me and him did all one little conversation and he said I'm gonna help me out about the shop. Can I tell him about the shop and he said I'm gonna give me some stuff for putting in the shop.
Make sure you know, come see him too, you know, before me I walk and look for you, I see him on this, I go tell him about, oh, how are this? How could I
Jesus Christ, I say everywhere me go cross this, follow me.
How could I cast this?
See her, every time she see me, she disrespect because this is my mother now. See her?
I say the woman are crosses, but tell you so when you see them crosses people, you know, look upon them. Because them a problem. Some of them a look for dead upon my baby. When you see them, nobody go like you not see them. Because them a problem and them you can go a person and lose their sanity. Now look upon them when you see them. Come, my baby.
Oi, you're not no sanity. You're not pride yourself.
Are you not understanding?
What you say when me see your mother, me can't say nothing to you. I lie there tell her. Me no afraid of nobody.
But we not afraid of your mother.
Chat about.
That's your business.
See your daughter here now. Ask her if me and my goddaughter kidnap her. See her the ask her.
No worry yourself.
No,
the greatest thing that my baby is okay. I don't have no problem.
Girl, you can't come and judge me about your pitney. So we know about her missing.
I'm mad you come about. Where come about?
You don't understand me come about.
You don't understand. No, me not get me
okay, so you don't know say. You make she have the chat oh we involved in your missing.
Nothing wrong.
I know me come to clarify.
Nothing wrong, you know. Unu kidnap me. Unu.
No, my baby is alright. Come. Look here, no lady. As I tell you, me find my daughter and me alright. No,
anything she say, you run with that. And that she say, I can work with.
I'm good. Me alright. It's alright. We can't take a problem. Why you just stay away and leave where I look? I want to business with you.
I say your teacher pick me if tell lie. Walk and judge people wrongfully.
Tell lie. It's alright. Nobody worry yourself when I tell lie. I will not tell her like. I want to step with their for lie now. Just now we know we are begging. Just leave we alone. You take him man and your goddaughter take him man.
Yeah, the girl did go and come
So
and
what?
chat about
He
her
good.
family.
He good.
Or like what?
We know, yeah, but not like your goddaughter, your daughter. It's alright, yeah. But we are woman and that we come for though.
Look here, Bob, walk that.
But me was about walk you and he walk your daughter and he walk your goddaughter. He walk you all. Say well on the kill list. Well on the kill list. See moon there?
Under God moon, Bob cannot own that.
Moon you can't own it.
Question again.
Me say after one you're not seeing my own it.
You know why you can't own it?
Why?
I mean me know.
Why?
Because your mama Obi walk and Bob know that.
I lie, you walk. Me
Take your time. Take your time, Bob. Come Bob no want you.
Listen, me have
You see you? Yeah, you walk this mama.
Move your ass! I understand what adapt. No, not that. You for come defend it. I you and your daughter, your goddaughter work at the church to see a man. Where is it? You can't do. Hey, Lama Pitney.
Watch out. Lawyer Pitney. In a hospital you get him. This is me and no fear. Switch this. I switch this. So go about to the business.
That's over. Pitney, where you got that? Tell me, fear. Where? Crosses. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah?
You know one girl named Kayla?
No, I don't know her. Yeah, who to her?
My father.
Your father?
Yeah, she pregnant.
Oh, I don't know her. I don't know her. But if me know her, I can know
So you
her.
don't know a pregnant girl off here something? No, yeah.
No, I don't too live around her, so you know.
Alright then.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. No, get up, right?
Oi! Let me ask you one question.
Here come my friend and me suffer.
Where me got that today?
If you know you got that today, I mean, your mama.
Little girl, you know, say, come back here, so. You know, say, you don't play with me, you know. I mean, your man can't agree. Oh, hello. Oi, looking at me two big bulb here, them. And me I talk to. Oi, when me I talk to you, don't chew your mouth neither. Stop eating chewing gum. Stop chew your mouth right now. Me and your mother is not the same thing. Now, rank with me.
You know, say...
You know, say what? Put up back that finger there. Come right here, so. Yes, when me I talk to you about my God, yes. You could have been me pitney, yeah.
What mean you pitney?
Hey, me no want you in my home. You would have changed the color. And my intestine would have tie up. And it would have tie around your neck.
No, yeah. Time when I tie up and kill you.
No rank with me. You're out of order. Come back right here, so. Go kill. Back to the sender. Little girl. Let me ask you one question. Can you act like you did this the first time? When me got that today?
I'm if you know where you got that today. I mean, I keep her.
You see you look suspicious?
Me look suspicious?
You see how you look suspicious?
Me look suspicious?
Like you know where she there?
Let me know where she there?
You and your mama involved in my goddaughter missing it. What?
You did to me?
Move your finger before me pop you off. Now rank with me. You hear me say when you talk to me, put your hand on your side.
So put fear face. We are trying to be on my face.
Me hand, I don't you say your face there. No rank with me, girl. You laugh. When me got that today?
Me I feel laugh because this come
I'm
back
you
at
go
work.
tell your mama say me see her
Me go
attack
tell
her.
her.
Yes, and she can't do me nothing.
Say I want me double beat me.
Yes, because me want know when me got that today, she missing.
Miss, me
Missing
tell her
in
this.
action. And you look like I say you in the action. Where is my goddaughter?
Me do not know which part she there. Me not a keeper. It's me a walk. I look for your goddaughter.
Oh.
Anyway, any
Okay.
she gonna man yard.
So
Man she gonna look.
No, your face you're older than me. Oh. Okay, you're older than me.
No, me not feel it so. Me know so.
So you ring with me, girl, before I lick you down the ground. Your face say me a ramp with you. Your face say me a where they go? Come back here, so. Come back here. When you go tell your mama, say, me see a road and I chat to you and make she come drape me. When me got that there,
Me not
that
know
me
which part she the candy.
let me tell you something. You see, any hour, me wait 24 more hours. The police them would have give 48, but me I give just 24 more hours. And me no fine for me got that. And a matter of fact, if me find her, whether you bring her come or you send her come, or me go find her myself, it no matter. You I go get lock up feet because me a press charge for you. You want me say?
Me have nothing to do with her. Me didn't even see her. Can't tell me that me see her.
I don't believe you because you always tell lie. Your mama tell the people them downtown the other day say you're lying, you thief out her money. That's why you take by the body and the fish. You're too wicked.
You know say that you take up my mother not tell such lie upon me.
What you mean? You might lie and be a big old tear jars you might wear.
Are you
You see big old dirty jars them where your mother wear. No, you don't argue with me for me weekend your face. What you mean? Your mama better than me?
Yeah, of course she better than you.
Go in quick me. Go home go tell your mama say me bust your ass.
Tell me mother.
Hey girl, come bust up your dirty face.
I see you and your daughter who not go suffer. What?
Your mama whore. Your mama take everybody man in our community. Your mama community bicycle. I'll donkey look here. Your mama no ramp with me. Dirty girl, you my same thing. Me can't find me God that and you will see. Which God you serve.
If you got time to let me out. How long you take to let me out? Oh yeah. What are you doing?
Does it feel like the better than it's still out?
Yeah, we see. Relax yourself.
Why? Sit down, the water. Oh, yeah, let me go. Let me loose, let me loose. Oh, come, baby, Why?
Relax. Just relax.
Jesus said, hurry up. Jesus said, baby, go. Come up.
Yeah.
Jesus said, come up. Don't walk this on me.
Sit there. Wait, relax.
Help me up.
Relax.
Yeah. Help me up. Help me up.
Hello? Is this, yeah, this Kayla father? Our water broke, so me whenever can meet me on the road. We can't go down to hospital.
God fire.
Alright.
God fire, God, you don't the rest of boy.
Wait.
Whoa, come up. Whoa.
Fire! Why you can't go to hospital? You don't know what I say? Kayla water broke. Yeah. Come. Yeah. Come on, can road. How you feel? Huh?
Yo, said something there if the baby I jump out.
Wait there.
No, put in there, no.
Oh, baby, come.
Do not have it in
Come.
Yo, Mickey is trying.
Boy.
We have to feel it, baby. Me rocking.
Hey, now come out.
Yes.
not like that.
Hurry up, fire.
Nothing like
Hey,
that.
God.
Hold it up! Hold it up!
Step on it, step on it.
Step on it, girl. See me a come.
Call back! Call back my water!
Oh God. See the baby here.
What you say?
Wait. See the baby here. Wait. Jesus Christ.
You will like cat, not you.
She knock out, watch out.
Jesus
See
Christ.
that?
Hurry up.
See if she are.
You might bring but come and speak. Come with the hurry up. Can't eat. Jesus Christ. Oh God.
The most I give thanks to life. So I sweat, work my work. You know what I mean? We can't really take no day off until the pay off. It's a rough road, but we'll still fight it. Because when you're in the land of lack of opportunity, you know you have to fight a million times as hard, you know what I mean, to survive. Yeah, because nobody build their own in my country. We have to build yourself, you know what I mean? So with that saying, we're doing it. And the fans them is the one who push us forward. Give thanks to the support every day, every time. Every bundle down on the side of the road motivate the movements to go forward. Bunny down to the ground. You know what I mean? Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Yeah. It's another day in paradise. You know what I mean? But yeah, you can buy fish and rice. You want to see the price, right? So, we're then at the time now where we have to try and find a way to get this movie business up and running. So we have some different ideas coming up. Planning to try and see if we can find a space where one can pay one monthly fee so you get some different content. Me I talk content where uncensored, not geared for kids, more adultish like, because there's a next avenue that we're not tapping into, you know, so we want to tap into the next part, right? So we are looking towards now. So I'll keep on posted as we go along, you know what I mean? Because we want to shoot some of them over there, you know, like the Third World Cup, Shatters, How Do They Come, Lunatic and them type of, you know, project that we are looking towards that. You know what I mean? So a bag of things go on. So that we work towards. So pan the Mother's Day, we just give thanks, you know what I mean? For another day, you know, and big up every mother in the world, you know what I mean? Because we don't make it possible. Because mothers go through a lot in this country. Not only in this country, but in the whole wide world. You know what I mean? To ensure that them kids survive. You know what I mean? So, big up to every mothers. I can't say it enough, you know? I can think of plenty songs, but thank you, Mama, for the 9 months to carry me through all those pain and... Alright, you don't know the rest, man. Big artists. If you find a song, then normal. Truthful. Anyway, we're up on the movie World of Fight earlier. So, we'll have one more part, the grand finale for 15 and pregnant. And we're done with 15 and pregnant, then we'll go to something else. Because it has been a while we're doing this one project. But a long time we don't really run one series to 10 parts. So I just say no matter how it go, we are carried through the 10. You know what I mean? And we'll do it again. So, big up Empress G, big up Tatson Franco, all of the network, Damien, you know what I mean? It's a wide range. Long time I hear from my friend over in Canada, you know what I mean? So I don't know what she deal with, but if you see this, Mama, give me a shout, man. Jules, what go on? And I there go and hold it off, man. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, big up to Annette. Same way, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, give thanks to the support. It's a whole list of people, you know what I mean? Give thanks to the promises, you know, that not fulfilled yet. We look forward to it because we know say go work out, you know, time of master, you know? So, it's a lot of names, but every time I say I have to write it down, we don't get the time yet. Because if I'm on in my work and I move every post right now. So anyway, we're going to talk, you know. We're going to talk, so I just time. Alright, let's go.
I know so the new thing will come out again. 15 and pregnant. Me know you love it. And me like what I go on. Big up on yourself. And thank you so much again for watching. Bless up on yourself. One love every time. Call the people them overseas, you know, have as a family or a friend, and tell them stay fit, go over to Jammiwood. Like, subscribe, leave a comment and share.